Hey, everybody. How are you doing today? Hope all is well. Well, I'm here today with another video. I purchased this canvas. I purchased it on Amazon, and guess what? It's an unframe canvas. Me never see say unframe. So me buy it, but I already buy it, so me just gonna make the best of it. Me go try and make some frame for it. So local furniture man cut up some strips for me, and I'm gonna put them together. So guys, please stay tuned and remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this frame. Alright, let's get right into the video. Now, yes, I put them together. I use hot glue first, and then I use a small nail. Yes, I'm going to use a small nail for make it firm, because I don't want nothing to drop apart, we fall apart quick. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm using the hot glue first, and then very soon when I start using nail for just put them together so it'll be firm. I'll be using these small nails to put them together, and I'm going to use a hammer to nail it in. Yes, see, they're nice and firm. One down, 4 more to go. Stay tuned, guys. Now see canvas here, people. I try my best to figure out what the best way to put on this, because it's a bit tricky. The frame have to be at the back of the white line. The white line must not show at all. Now this is the finished product, guys. I put this in my living room above my sofa, and it spelled the word home. I love it. So comment down below and tell me, what do you think? And guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.